rather sense that for the late Queen, knowing that her two grandsons are here with their two wives, together supporting the King and reflecting upon her and all the kindnesses that have been shown in reflection of the late Queen's life, would be very special to her. She only really ever cared that all the family should be happy, and she, as was said by the King, she always saw the very best in everybody, and she will have done that in particular with all members